Thank you so much. Esteemed Minister Limets, dear representatives of the media, tere hommikust. It is a truly great pleasure to be here in Tallinn, in friendly Estonia, a country that is a proven supporter of North Macedonia and our accession to the Euro-Atlantic structures. This principled position of Tallinn is demonstrated every time key decisions are being made in the EU bodies. Let me extend my gratitude to you, my dear colleague, Minister Limets, for reaffirming the unreserved support for sooner rather than later commencement of my country's accession talks, even at this meeting. This support builds on that received from the government representatives of the other two Baltic countries I visited recently, as well as on the support expressed at meetings with senior officials from other member states. I sincerely expect that this support will finally be materialized into a decision of the Council to adopt the negotiating framework and hold the first intergovernmental conference. I'm going to be open and honest here. For me, for the Macedonian citizens, it is extremely important that this last step on our path to start the accession process does take place indeed now, with no further delays. Otherwise, it will inevitably lead to greater disappointment, which is somewhat understandable given how long we have been stuck in the waiting room of the European Union. The fact that we were the first country in the region to sign the Stabilization and Association Agreement 20 years ago, that we have been a candidate country for 16 years, and that we have not yet started accession negotiations leaves a feeling of bitterness. North Macedonia has delivered a lot over the recent years, both in terms of our reform performance, but also in terms of closing difficult bilateral issues. And it is high time, therefore, for the EU to also deliver on its promises. And perhaps the example and experience of the Baltic countries in their accession to the Union is a model that we can learn from, that it should be taken into account in the case of our region, the Western Balkans. Deeper regional cooperation and leadership from neighbors, especially from those already in the Union, are a guarantee of success. In the months ahead of us, we all have an exceptional opportunity to be constructive, to think for the long term, for the future, and make decisions. My colleague Limets and I also talked about the implementation of the agenda Europe at Home, which primarily focuses on areas related to the rule of law, fight against corruption, public administration reform, all areas that are crucial for the accession process as part of the first cluster under the new methodology fundamentals. We also considered the possible ways in which we can use the Estonian experience in North Macedonia. In this context, we jointly agreed to implement a trilateral project in the field of digitalization, an area in which Estonia is a leader not only in Europe but also worldwide, and the implementation of which will be supported by another one of our strategic partners, our ally, the United States. Ma olen sulle väga tänulik.